Learn how to install your Ageless iron door hardware in this quick video tutorial. Once you receive your hardware, open the box to check what is included. The box includes 2 hardware assemblies, 1 strike plate with 2 wood screws, 1 faceplate with 2 wood screws, 4 machine screws, 1 plastic anti-rotation block, and 1 latch. For privacy door sets, you will also receive 1 privacy pin and 1 privacy release key. You will need a pencil, a Phillips head screwdriver, a drill with a 1/8 inch bit, and measuring tape. Remove any current hardware you may have on your door. If this is a new door, make sure there is already a pre-drilled borehole. Standard doors are 1 3/8 inches thick or 1 3/4 inches thick. This will determine which machine screws to use. Use your measuring tape to measure from the edge of the door to the center of the borehole. Standard back sets are either 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. Place the faceplate in its hole on the edge of the door. Mark the holes with a pencil. Remove the faceplate and drill holes where marked. Insert the plastic anti-rotation block into the borehole with the arrow pointing to the door's edge. If you have a privacy set, locate the privacy function hole on the latch. Make sure the threaded side of the privacy function hole is installed facing the interior side of the door. Insert the latch into the borehole and through the anti-rotation block. If you have a privacy set, make sure the non-threaded privacy release hole faces the outside of the door. The beveled side of the tongue should face towards the door jamb when the door is open. If it is facing the wrong direction, rotate the tongue. Place the faceplate over the latch tongue on the edge of the door. Use the provided wood screws to attach the faceplate to the door. When installing the exterior half, make sure the edge of the plate is parallel to the edge of the door. For privacy sets, the exterior plate has 1 hole for the privacy release key. Make sure the privacy release hole is adjacent to the door's edge. For a privacy plate, there is 1 hole for the privacy pin in addition to the 2 screw holes for mounting. With a screwdriver, use the machine screws to secure the interior assembly to the exterior assembly. For doors that are 1 3/8 inches thick, use the 1 1/2 inch machine screws. For doors that are 1 3/4 inches thick, use the 1 3/4 inch machine screws. Make sure the privacy pin hole is adjacent to the door's edge and the plate is parallel with the door edge. For privacy sets, insert the privacy pin in its hole and twist to tighten. To ensure functionality, push the privacy pin in and check that the exterior knob does not turn. The last step is the installation of the strike plate. Mark and drill the holes for the strike plate. Place the strike plate on the inside of the door jamb and install with the provided wood screws. You have now correctly installed your beautiful Ageless iron hardware. For more information about Ageless iron, contact our customer support team.